Modi ji belongs to Chennai, that is the kind of reception he got. All the three constituencies, BJP will get a record victory. DMK, what DMK calls Chennai as their fort.
And here's the Prime Minister once again in Tamil Nadu, in Chennai and in Pondy Bazaar. That's the Prime Minister greeting the people at the spot. And he's with Annamalai, with the candidates from BJP. That is Thamizhai Soundarajan for South Chennai and Vinod P. Selvam for Central Chennai over here with the Prime Minister in this convoy. As you see over there, he is greeting the people wearing a Kweti vesti and shirt. This is Prime Minister Modi, who is at Pondy Bazaar, one of the busy streets in Chennai, and here he is conducting the roadshow. In fact, there are so many fans over here who are enthralled to see him. In fact, I also have a 9-month-old baby who's come along with his grandfather. Sir, what is the child's name and why are you here?
Arjun Subramanian.
Why are you here and how excited are you to see the Prime Minister?
We are very excited to see to see our Indian Prime Minister. We hope he becomes the Prime Minister.
This is the first time you're seeing him in person?
Yeah.
How excited are you?
I'm very excited to see our Prime Minister.
So this is Arjun, this is 9-month-old, and this baby is also here along with the family, and here they are coming over and they are here to see the Prime Minister at this spot, and one after the other, this entire stretch, the Prime Minister slowly greeting everybody. He's gone over. These are the supporters of the PM over here.
Dravidian nonsense, where by giving money and then inducing people, they have been, made fools of themselves. So now, if you have to get a 50-year-old addict out of addiction, okay, you need to inject him as much as possible. That is why all the central ministers and politicians are visiting Tamil Nadu. Get that Tamilian out of the addiction.
How do you feel, ma'am, seeing the Prime Minister here? How do you feel seeing the Prime Minister here?
I am very happy.
Very happy. This is why you came over here. Right. This is the kind of the fan base you see here in Pondy Bazaar. People are throwing flowers at his picture and they are celebrating his roadshow at this point. There has been an historic roadshow here. Annamalai sir, what do you see about the reception here of the public?
Chennai is always very, very kind to our Honorable PM Narendra Modi ji. Today is one such day where the people of Chennai have welcomed Narendra Modi ji with open arms like they're one. Like Modi ji belongs to Chennai, that is the kind of reception he got. And the mood of the Chennai is reflected through the roadshow today. The mood is reflected through the roadshow today, be it Chennai South, Central and North constituencies. All the three constituencies, BJP will get a record victory. You will see in April 19.
DMK says that 400, more than 400 is not possible. That's what DMK says.
DMK is living in their own world. What DMK calls Chennai as their fort. Even in that fort today, you had seen a big crack and a big hole today. All the three Chennai Lok Sabha constituencies will go for a clean sweep for the BJP and for the NDA.
Thank you so much. That was Annamalai after a roadshow. Here he says that DMK is living in its own world and BJP is going to get 400 plus seats.
Happy, but there was so many restrictions. Some of the people who really wanted to come, they were blocked in some of the areas. Some of the minority women who wanted to come and they were coming in the bus, they were stopped. So there were some restrictions. But in spite of that, so much of friends have come to greet our Honorable Prime Minister. We are so happy.
The reception here, ma'am, the crowd seems to be extremely wild.
They're so electrified. We are energized and they are electrified.
So what is going to be the count now?
Yeah, count will be good. Very good.
Thank you so much. It was a massive roadshow where the Prime Minister for the 7th time, he was in Tamil Nadu, Chennai and a busy street called Pondy Bazaar. And only few people were allowed to actually be in that vehicle. That was several candidates and one we have among with us, the Central Chennai candidate, Vinod. How was the moment spending the time with the Prime Minister on that vehicle?
It's the moment of a lifetime. And it's a true blessing of God that, the leader who has transformed our country at the global stage, and today India is being looked upon as one of the biggest superpowers, and the man responsible for that, sharing a space, standing behind him for the last 45 minutes and seeing how crazy people are going. These were emotional scenes, these were the scenes which we were been longing and waiting to see for years. And for a minute, if anyone had seen this video without knowing it's Chennai, they'd probably think it's Ahmedabad or Lucknow. But no, this is Chennai. So Chennai is getting modified. The people of Chennai want development. They want the good politics of what Sri Narendra Modi, the model he's been.
And over here, how was the reception? How did the people react to the Prime Minister?
Fantastic. They were going crazy, as I told you. We have never seen such crowds. You know, these were organic crowds, not crowds which were brought like what the Dravidian party used to. They weren't paid to come to watch the Prime Minister. We only announced that the Prime Minister is coming. And the crowds came by in themselves, and they came with the largest number of families. Elderly people, children, families came to see the Prime Minister. They got a glimpse of him for a few seconds, but they stood for hours to see that. That shows the kind of affection the people have on the Prime Minister.
Well, also, like DMK has been constantly saying that, like the more the Prime Minister comes to Chennai, the more Tamil Nadu, the more the chance of them are winning. Is that so?
See, the reason these people keep talking about the Prime Minister is because of the fear which has been subconsciously gotten into their minds. If you're not bothered about the BJP, if you're not bothered about the party's success or the progress, why do you talk about the BJP all the time? The politics of the DMK today, the pivotal role is played by the BJP. It's around the BJP that the DMK tries to do politics to even survive in Tamil Nadu.
Thank you so much. That was Vinod Piselvam, the central Chennai candidate, who was also part in the particular vehicle where the Prime Minister on this road, he was doing the road show today.